finished up to okay. From 42 we have to start. Okay. Yudesa Gada Panir Indra Shaktya Mahasuraha. So just to catch up, Rakta Bijam, last two lines we were talking about Rakta Bija, Rakshasa. From him, every drop that falls on the ground, that so many drops, so many asuras will come, his equal to his valor and strength. So now all the Shaktis have come up, all Indra Shakti, all the Shaktis we saw. Each one is now fighting with him, and so much of blood loss is there, and so many asuras spring up from there. Okay, that is what it is. Yudesa Gadha Panir Indra Shaktya Mahasuraha. Yuyudesa Gada Panir Indra Shaktya Mahasuraha. Tataschaindri Swavajrena Rakta Bijamadhadayat Tataschaindri Swavajrena Rakta Bijamadhadayat Aindri is hitting with her Vajrayudha. That thunderbolt that she holds, she is hitting him with that. Okay. Kulishena, so I have not said together, no? Yudesa Gadha Panir Indra Shaktya Mahasuraha Tataschaindri Swavajrena Rakta Bijamadhadayat. Kulishena Hatasyashu Bahususravashonidam Kulishena Hatasyashu Bahususravashonidam. So when he was hit by the Kulisha is again Vajrayudha. So thunderbolt Vajrayudha. When he was hit by the Vajrayudha, wherever he was hit, so much of blood is oozing out. Okay? Bahususrava Shonida. Blood is coming out profusely. Samuttastu thado yodhas Tatrubhas tatparakramaha Samuttastu tatho yodhas Tatrubhas tatparakramaha. कुलिशेन हतस्याशु बहुशुश्रावशोणिदम् समुत्तस्तु ततो योधास्तद्रूभास्तत्पराक्रमाः
कुलिशेन हतस्याशु बहुशुश्रावशोणिदम् समुत्तस्तु ततो योधास्तद्रूभास्तत्पराक्रमाः कुलिशेन हतस्याशु बहुशुश्रावशोणिदम् समुत्तस्तु ततो योधास्तद्रूपास्तत्पराक्रमाः
यावन्तः पतितास्तस्य शरीराद्रक्तबिन्दवः यावन्तः पतितास्तस्य शरीराद्रक्तबिन्दवः शरीराद्रक्तबिन्दवः तावन्तः पुरुषा जातास् तद्वीर्यबलविक्रमाः तावन्तः पुरुषा जातास्तद्वीर्यबलविक्रमाः यावन्तः पतितास्तस्य शरीराद्रक्तबिन्दवः तावन्तः पुरुषा जातास्तद्वीर्यबलविक्रमाः
यावन्तः पतितास्तस्य शरीराद्रक्तबिन्दवः तावन्तः पुरुषा जातास्तद्वीर्यबलविक्रमाः
ते चापि युयुधुस्तत्र पुरुषा रक्तसम्भवाः ते चापि युयुधुस्तत्र पुरुषा रक्तसम्भवाः समं मातृभिरत्युग्र शस्त्रपातादिभीषणम् समं मातृभिर्यत्युग्र शस्त्रपातादिभीषणम् ते चापि युयुधुस्तत्र पुरुषा रक्तसम्भवाः समं मातृभिर्यत्युग्र शस्त्रपातादिभीषणम् पुनश्च वज्रपातेन क्षतमस्य शिरो यदा पुनश्च वज्रपातेन क्षतमस्य शिरो यदा
वज्रपातेन शतमस्य शिरो यदा पुनश्च वज्रपातेन शतमस्य शिरो यदा
ववाह रक्तं पुरुषास् ततो जाताः सहस्रशः ववाह रक्तं पुरुषास्ततो जाताः सहस्रशः पुनश्च वज्रपातेन क्षतमस्य शिरो यदा ववाह रक्तं पुरुषास्ततो जाताः सहस्रशः
पुनश्च वज्रपातेन क्षतमस्य शिरो यदा ववाह रक्तं पुरुषास्ततो जाताः सहस्रशः पुनश्च वज्रपातेन क्षतमस्य शिरो यदा ववाह रक्तं पुरुषास्ततो जाताः सहस्रशः
वैष्णवी समरे चैनं चक्रेणाभिजगानः वैष्णवी समरे चैनं चक्रेणाभिजगानः गदया ताडयामास ऐन्द्रीतमसुरेश्वरम् गदया ताडयामास ऐन्द्रीतमसुरेश्वरम् The gist of this page is like, first Aindri is the one who attacks him. First with her Vajrayudha, and then with the, what happens? He goes attacking all the Madruganas. And everybody like fell down, or they were not able to match up to him. So Aindri, again what she does is, she takes her gada and she goes and hits on his head. What happens, like, it is not that only while hitting the blood is coming. Blood is, wherever it is hit, the blood keeps coming, and thousands of Rakshasas also emerge from that. That is what. And then Vaishnavi joins her now with her Chakrayudham. Everybody is making the same, mistake kind of a thing. It looks like, but we will understand why it is said like this when I explain to you guys on Thursday. So now each one of them, first the thing started with Aindri, and then Vaishnavi has come. And then slowly other Madruganas, all the Matas will come one by one. But the result is the same. Result is not different, it is the same result. So much of blood is oozing out. And at some point of a time, the entire world, entire earth is filled with only those asuras. So they really get scared, like it was overwhelming for everybody, all the Madruganas and their Sena. They are all very scared, terrifying to look at so many asuras, the earth being filled with that kind of asuras. And Amba laughs, Chandika laughs to see them like that. And then she takes a call, like how she has to beat Rakta Bija. Okay?
So it's not one Rakta Bija who spawns so many. It's every Rakta Bija who comes whose blood.
No, not like that. There's only one. Only he has got that. So how much from his body, how much ever blood comes out, that many Rakshasa will emerge, equal to him.
God.
So what happens, like, when she has to fight, she has to take into account the entire asura that those have emerged from him also now. So that is how they play it. Like, they have a strategy. She carves a strategy with Kali, and they both fight with asura later. Okay. So this is first the beginning of the fight in between the Madryaganas and asuras till Chandi takes over. Okay. Now you say all this 6 lines. Okay. Ready? Yude sagada panirindra shaktya mahasuraha tataschaindri svavajrena rakta bijamadadayat kulishena hatasyashu bahussusravashonidam samuttastu thato yodastatrubastatparākramaha Yavantah palitastasya sharirādraktabindavah Tavantah purusha jatas tadvirya balavikramaha Techapi yudustatra purusha raktasambhavaha Samam madrubiryatyugra shastrapatati bhishanam Punascha vajrapatena kshatamsya shiro yada Vavaha raktam purushastato jata sahasrashah Vaishnavi samare chainam chakrena vijaganah Gadaya tadayamasa aindri tamasureshwaram. Next one. Vaishnavi chakra binnasya Rudirasrava sambhavaihi Vaishnavi chakra binnasya Rudirasrava sambhavaihi
Vaishnavi chakra binnasya rudirasrava sambhavaihi
Sahasrasho jagadvyaptam Tat pramaణైర్ mahāsuraihi Sahasrasho jagadvyaptam tat pramaణైర్ mahāsuraihi Vaishnavi chakra binnasya rudirasrava sambhavaihi Sahasrasho jagadvyaptam tat pramaణైర్ mahāsuraihi
Vaishnavi chakra binnasya rudirasrava sambhavaihi Sahasrasho jagadvyaptam tat pramaణైర్ mahāsuraihi Vaishnavi chakra binnasya rudirasrava sambhavaihi Sahasrasho jagadvyaptam tat pramaణైర్ mahāsuraihi
Shaktya jagana kaumari Varahi chatadasina Kaumari with her shulam, that not shulam, sphere that she holds in her hand, Shakti that is called, and Varahi with her asina, that sword, asi. Maheshwari Trishulena Rakta Bijam Mahasuram So Maheshwari with her Trishulam, all of them attack Rakta Bijam at the same time. Shaktya Jagana Kaumari वाराही च ददासिना माहेश्वरी त्रिशूलेन रक्तबीजं महासुरम्
शक्त्या जगान कौमारी वाराही च ददासिना माहेश्वरी त्रिशूलेन रक्तबीजं महासुरम् शक्त्या जगान कौमारी वाराही च ददासिना माहेश्वरी त्रिशूलेन रक्तबीजं महासुरम्.
Raktabija will not keep quiet when everybody is attacking him. So he takes his gada and attacks all the Madruganas one by one, pratak, one by one. Each and every one he was attacking them with the gada. Sachabi gadayo daityah
Sachapi gadaya daityah Sachapi gadaya daityah
Sarva yevahanat prutak
Sarva yevahanat prutak Sarva yevahanat prutak
Sachabi gadaya daityah sarva yevahanat prutak
Sachapi gadaya daityah Sarva yevahanat prutak Sachapi gadaya daityah Sarva yevahanat prutak
Matrukovasamavishto
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 Matrukovasamavishto Matrukovasamavishto
Raktabijo Mahasurah
Raktabijo Mahasurah Raktabijo Mahasurah.
It is Matruh. Don't say ik. Okay. Matru. Okay. Matrukovasamavishto Raktabijo Mahasurah
Matrukovasamavishto Raktabijo Mahasurah Matrukovasamavishto Raktabijo Mahasurah
Sacha bigadaya daityah sarva yevahanat prutak Matrukovasamavishto Raktabijo Mahasurah
Sachapi gadaya daityah sarva yevahanat prutak Matrukovasamavishto Raktabijo Mahasurah Sachapi gadaya daityah sarva yevahanat prutak Matrukovasamavishto Raktabijo Mahasurah
Tasya hatasya bahuda Shakti Shuladibhirbhuvi So all their weapons fall down on earth. Tasya hatasya bahuda Shakti Shuladibhirbhuvi Tasya hatasya, not hatasya, hatasya. Tasya hatasya bahuda Shakti Shuladibhirbhuvi Papadayau vairaktauga Papadayo vairaktaugasthena sanchadasho suraha The sandhi comes there. Tenasat shadasho asuraha. Tenasat shadasho. So when the sandhi comes there, tenasanchadasho. The words when it is split, tenasat shadasho asuraha. Tenasat sadasho asuraha. hundreds of asuras emerged from his, because blood is oozing out from his continuously. So many asuras also springing up from the blood. Okay. So Raktauga, it is like, from, it is flowing like anything from his blood, from his body. So much Raktauga from his body, blood is flowing so much. And from there, hundreds and thousands of Shatashosuraha, hundreds of Asuras emerge from those blood drops. Okay. So Raktauga Tena San Chatashosuraha. Chatashosuraha. Okay. Tena San Chatashosuraha. Tena Sat Shatasho Asuraha. That is, when it is with the Sandhi, when it comes, Tena San Chatasho Suraha. Okay, got it?
Raktaugas Tena
Raktaugas.
Tena Sat.
No, Raktaugas.
Raktaugas
Tena San Chatasho Suraha. Okay, split it correctly like that. Okay. Papadayo vai Raktaugas.
Papatayo vai Raktaugas. Papatayo vai Raktaugas.
Tena San Chatasho Suraha.
Tena Sanchatasho Suraha. Tena Sanchatasho Suraha.
Papadayo vai Raktaugas. Tena San Chatasho Suraha.
Papatayo vai Raktaugas. Tena Sanchatasho Suraha. Papatayo vai Raktaugas. Tena Sanchatasho Suraha.
Tasya hatasya bahuda shakti shuladibhirbhuvi. Papadayo vai Raktaugas. Tena Sanchatasho Suraha.
Tasya bahuda shakti shuladibhirbhuvi. Papatayo vai Raktaugas. Tena Sanchatasho Suraha.
So they hit with so many weapons. Continuously the blood is oozing out from his body wherever he was hit. Tasya
Tasya bahuda shakti shuladibhirbhuvi. Papatayo vai Raktaugas. Tena Sanchatasho Suraha.
Next line again. Taischa shura sruk sambodhair asureihi. Taischa sura shrik sambodhair asureihi. Okay. Taischa shura sruk sambodhai asuraihi.
So Taischa Sura Suk.
Shura sruk sambodhai asuraihi. Sruk is another word. Taischa sura sruk sambodhai asuraihi. Okay.
Taischa Sura
Rak sambodhair asurair sakalam jagad.
Taischa sura sambhutai asurai sakalam jagat.
Asurair, you can say, ir can come there, asurair or asuraihi or asurais. Asurais sakalam jagat. Asurais sakalam jagat. That sandhi is the proper sandhi there, is when you put it. Asurais sakalam jagat. I will recite it once, just listen to me, okay? Taischa sura sruk sambodhair asurais sakalam jagad.
Taischa sura sambhudai asurai sakalam jagat. Taischa sura sambhudai asurai sakalam jagat.
Vyaptamasi tatho deva.
Vyaptamasi tato deva. Vyaptamasi tato deva.
Bhayama jagmuruttamam.
Bhayamajaguruttamam.
because the entire world is filled with that kind of asuras, all the celestials are extremely terrified. Uttamam, Bayama Jagmuruttamam, extremely terrified, looking at the world filled with that kind of asuras. Vyaptamasi tatho deva Bayama Jagmuruttamam.
Vyaptamasi tatho deva Bayama Jagmuruttamam. Vyaptamasi tatho deva Bayama Jagmuruttamam.
Taischa surasruk sambodhairasurais sakalam jagat. Vyaptamasi tatho deva Bayama Jagmuruttamam.
Taischa surasruk sambodhairasurais sakalam jagat. Vyaptamasi tato deva Bayama Jagmuruttamam. Taischa surasruk sambodhairasurais sakalam jagat. Vyaptamasi tato deva Bayama Jagmuruttamam.
Chandika is now laughing, looking at those scared celestials. She is laughing. And then she tells Chamunda, Kali, please open your mouth, already wide mouth, make it wider. Okay. Tan vishannan suran drushtva.
Tan vishannan suran drushtva. Tan vishannan suran drushtva.
Chandika praha satvara.
Chandika praha satvara. Chandika praha satvara.
Tan vishannan suran drushtva. Chandika praha satvara.
Tan vishannan suran drushtva. Chandika praha satvara. Tan vishannan suran drushtva. Chandika praha satvara.
Uvacha kalim chamunde.
Uvacha kalim chamunde. Uvacha kalim chamunde.
Vistirnam vadanam kuru.
Vistirnam vadanam kuru. Vistirnam vadanam kuru.
Uvacha kalim chamunde. Vistirnam vadanam kuru.
Uvacha kalim chamunde. Vistirnam vadanam kuru. Uvacha kalim chamunde. Vistirnam vadanam kuru.
Tan vishannan suran drushtva. Chandika praha satvara. Uvacha kalim chamunde. Vistirnam vadanam kuru.
Tan vishannan suran drushtva. Chandika praha satvara. Uvacha kalim chamunde. Vistirnam vadanam kuru. Tan vishannan suran drushtva. Chandika praha satvara. Uvacha kalim chamunde. Vistirnam vadanam kuru.
Okay, we will recite this page and then move on. Vaishnavi chakra bhinnasya rudirasrava sambhavaihi sahasrasho jagat vyaptam tat pramanair mahasuraihi shaktya jagana kaumari varahi cha tadasina maheshwari trishulena raktabijam mahasuram Sacha vigadaya daityas sarva yevahanat prutak madrukopa samavishto rakta bijo mahasuraha tasya hatasya bahuda shakti shuladibhirbhuvi papadayo vai raktaugastena sanchatasho suraha Taischa surasrut sambodhairasurais sakalam jagad vyaptamasi tato deva Bayama Jagmuruttamam Tan vishannan suran drushtva Chandika praha satvara Uvacha kalim chamunde Vistirnam vadanam kuru. Chandika is asking Kali to don't let the blood fall on the ground. Gulp it. Lap up all the blood when it as it comes out of his wounds. Don't let it. Only when she gives 2 instructions. First, when I'm hitting, the blood is going to come. All the blood, you take it. You lap it up all the blood. And those keep roaming around in the battlefield, and Pakshanam, all the asuras, they have come out. But understand one thing here. Why this kind of a strange killing? This Rakta Bijam and the blood falling on the ground and so many asuras emerging from that. I told you it's manovritti. That is one aspect of it. When you are in the spiritual journey, that is one aspect of it. The other aspect is your desires. Our desires never stop. You start with one, it keeps growing so much. That is what Rakta Bijam, blood falling. Then why Chamundi is now drinking all the blood before it falls down? So what they say is, the desire before it gets fructified or you just nip it off in the bud itself. Don't let it fructify, grow, because as it grows, it is going to create more desires. It's not going to stop with one. Okay, like that. So nip it off in the blood. That is what, Chamundi drinking the blood before it falls down on the earth. Before it falls down on earth and create more asuras, Chamundi takes it. That signifies it is only that kind of an effort that you need to stop your desires. Kali's effort, you need to stop the desires. It's not so easy, because we all are living in this world. We want more. Always more and more and more. There's no enough there. So that is what it is. So before it gets worse, things go out of hand, you cut it off. Because the entire thing is like that. I'll explain it on Thursday more. Next. Machastrapata Sambhutan. Again, here the Sandhi is there. I am teaching also Sandhi grammar here, looks like. Mat Shastra Pada Sambhutan. That is what Mat Shastra. It is split like that. Don't write it. Okay? Just listen and learn it. Mat Shastra, when it becomes Sandhi, Mat Chastra. Mat Chastra. Okay? Mat Chastra. It is not Mat Shastra turns into Mat Chastra. I think people who have learned Tamil, it is very easy for them to do this, because Tamil also has got more or less like this. Say, Nal Gati. There are 2 words. Okay? Nargati. Sandhi comes like that there. Nal Gati, 2 words, when it is combined, Nal means good fortunes. Nal Gati. When it combines and becomes one word, it is called Nargati. Like that, here, Mat Shastra become Mat Chastra. That way, the meter is maintained. The beauty of Sanskritam is its meter and its Sandhi. If you know Sandhi grammar very well, then you can really do very well with Sanskrit. Sandhi grammar is the main thing in Sanskritam. So, Mat Shastra. Understand that. Mat Shastra becomes Mat Chastra. Okay? Mat Chastra means my weapons. My weapons. She is telling, Chandika is telling Kali, my weapons when it is going to hit him, and eventually the blood is going to come out. You drink the blood before it falls down. That is the instruction that she is giving. So, Machastra Pada Sambodhan. But Machastra Pada Sambodhan. Raktabindun Mahasuran
Raktabindun Mahasuran Raktabindun Mahasuran
Machchastrapata Sambhutan Raktabindun Mahasuran
Machchastrapata Sambhutan Raktabindun Mahasuran Machchastrapata Sambhutan Raktabindun Mahasuran
Raktabindov Pratichatvam
Raktabindov Pratichatvam Raktabindov Pratichatvam
Vaktrenanena Vegina
Vaktrenanena Vegina Vaktrenanena Vegina
Raktabindov Pratichatvam Vaktrenanena Vegina
Raktabindo Pratichatvam Vaktrenanena Vegina Raktabindo Pratichatvam Vaktrenanena Vegina
Vegina is quickly you take it, because it will not take a long time for it to fall down, so you have to be really prompt and quick. Machchastrapata Sambhutan Raktabindun Mahasuran Raktabindov Pratichatvam Vaktrenanena Vegina
Machchastrapata Sambhutan Raktabindun Mahasuran Raktabindov Pratichatvam Vaktrenanena Vegina Machchastrapata Sambhutan Raktabindun Mahasuran Raktabindov Pratichatvam Vaktrenanena Vegina.
So this is the first instruction. The second instruction comes now. Bhakshayanti chararane
Bhakshayanti chararane Bhakshayanti chararane
Tadutpannan Mahasuran.
Tadutpannan Mahasuran Tadutpannan Mahasuran.
So those asuras who emerged from the blood drops of Raktabija, Bhakshayanti, you devour them, eat them. Okay?
In all this, what is this Mahasura?
Mahasura means Raktabija. All these asuras, and he is the supreme, Mahasura. Raktabija is called Mahasura. He is a great one because he is dangerous demon. That is why he is called Mahasura. Mahasuran is Mahasura. Okay. Bhakshayanti chararane tadutpannan Mahasuran.
Bhakshayanti chararane tadutpannan Mahasuran Bhakshayanti chararane tadutpannan Mahasuran
Yevamesha Shayam Daityas
Evamesha Kshayam Daitya Evamesha Kshayam Daitya
Kshina Rakto Gamishyati.
Kshina Rakto Gamishyati Kshina Rakto Gamishyati.
So at some point of a time, when the blood is being taken, gulped up by Kali, he will become weak without any blood. It is only going out. Eventually he has to become weak, and it is very easy to kill him at that time. This is the Chamunda's strategy to beat Raktabija. Okay? Yevamesha Kshayam Daityas Chena Rakto Gamishyati.
Evamesha Kshayam Daitya Kshina Rakto Gamishyati Evamesha Kshayam Daitya Kshina Rakto Gamishyati.
Bhakshayanti chararane tadutpannan Mahasuran. Yevamesha Kshayam Daitya Kshena Rakto Gamishyati.
Bhakshayanti chararane tadutpannan Mahasuran Evamesha Kshayam Daitya Kshina Rakto Gamishyati. Bhakshayanti chararane tadutpannan Mahasuran Evamesha Kshayam Daitya Kshina Rakto Gamishyati.
Bhakshyamanas-tvaya chogra.
Bhakshyamanas-tvaya chogra Bhakshyamanas-tvaya chogra
Chotpad चोत्पत्स्यन्ति चापरे
न चोत्पत्स्यन्ति चापरे न चोत्पत्स्यन्ति चापरे
भक्ष्यमानास्त्वया चोग्रा न चोत्पत्स्यन्ति चापरे
भक्ष्यमाणास्त्वया चोग्रा न चोत्पत्स्यन्ति चापरे भक्ष्यमाणास्त्वया चोग्रा न चोत्पत्स्यन्ति चापरे.
So whatever the number of asuras who sprang up is going to, at some point of time, it will become zero, because no more new asuras are emerging, no? So that is going to, this is a big, Patanjali has written a big Yoga Sutra on this. This how it is done. I'll explain on Thursday. Like Patanjali Yoga Sutra, how it is done. He is meaning, philosophical meaning of this entire thing he has said. Ityuktva tam tatho devi
Ityuktva tam tato devi Ityuktva tam tato devi
Shulena vijaganatam
Shulena vijaganatam Shulena vijaganatam
Ityuktva tam tatho devi Shulena vijaganatam
Ityuktva tam tato devi Shulena vijaganatam Ityuktva tam tato devi Shulena vijaganatam
Bhaksyamanas-tvaya chogra na chotpatyanti chapare Ityuktva tam tatho devi Shulena vijaganatam.
Bhaksyamanas-tvaya chogra na chotpatyanti chapare Ityuktva tam tato devi Shulena vijaganatam Bhaksyamanas-tvaya chogra
Na chotpatyati na cha utpatyanti chapare
न चोत्पत्स्यन्ति चापरे इत्युक्त्वा तां ततो देवी शूलेनाभिजगानतम्
मुखेन कालिजगृहे
मुखेन कालिजगृहे मुखेन कालिजगृहे
रक्तबीजस्य शोणितम्
रक्तबीजस्य शोणितम् रक्तबीजस्य शोणितम्
मुखेन कालिजगृहे रक्तबीजस्य शोणितम्
मुखेन कालिजगृहे रक्तबीजस्य शोणितम् मुखेन कालिजगृहे रक्तबीजस्य शोणितम्
ततो सा वाजगानाथ
ततो सा वाजगानाथ ततो सा वाजगानाथ
गदया तत्र चण्डिकाम्
गदया तत्र चण्डिकाम् गदया तत्र चण्डिकाम्
ततो सा वाजगानाथ गदया तत्र चण्डिकाम्
ततो सा वाजगानाथ गदया तत्र चण्डिकाम् ततो सा वाजगानाथ गदया तत्र चण्डिकाम्
मुखेन कालिजगृहे रक्तबीजस्य शोणितम् ततो सा वाजगानाथ गदया तत्र चण्डिकाम्
मुखेन कालिजगृहे रक्तबीजस्य शोणितम् ततो सा वाजगानाथ गदया तत्र चण्डिकाम् मुखेन कालिजगृहे रक्तबीजस्य शोणितम् ततो सा वाजगानाथ गदया तत्र चण्डिकाम्
न चास्या वेदनां चक्रे
न चास्या वेदनां चक्रे न चास्या वेदनां चक्रे
गदापाथोल्पिकामपि
गदापातोल्पिकामपि
अल्पिकामपि पाथ अल्पिकामपि ओके गदापाथोल्पिकामपि
गदापातोल्पिकामपि गदापातोल्पिकामपि
न चास्या वेदनां चक्रे गदापाथोल्पिकाम् गदापादोल्पिकामपि
न चास्य वेदनां चक्रे गदापातोल्पिकामपि न चास्य वेदनां चक्रे गदापातोल्पिकामपि
तस्या हतस्य देहात्तु बहुशुश्रावशोणितम् तस्या हतस्य देहात्तु बहुशुश्रावशोणितम् न चास्या वेदनां चक्रे गदापातोल्पिकामपि तस्या हतस्य देहात्तु बहुशुश्रावशोणितम्
न चास्य वेदनां चक्रे गदापातोल्पिकामपि तस्या हतस्य देहातु बहुशुश्रावशोणितम्
यतस्तदस्तद्वक्त्रेण यतस्तदस्तद्वक्त्रेण this is one यतस्तदस्तद्वक्त्रेण यतस्तदस्तद्वक्त्रेण Vakrena no, Vaktrena. Vaktra means mouth. Mouth. Vaktrena. Okay. Yadas tadas tad Vaktrena. Chamunda sampratichati. यतस्ततस्तद्वक्त्रेण चामुण्डा सम्प्रतीच्छति मुखे समुद्गता येस्या रक्तपातान् महासुराः मुखे समुद्गता येस्या रक्तपातान् महासुराः यतस्ततस्तद्वक्त्रेण चामुण्डा सम्प्रतीच्छति मुखे समुद्गता येस्या रक्तपातान् महासुराः
यतस्ततस्तद्वक्त्रेण चामुण्डा सम्प्रतीच्छति मुखे समुद्गता येस्या रक्तपातान् महासुराः
We say this, okay, this page. मच्छस्त्रपादसम्भूतान् रक्तबिन्दून् महासुरान् रक्तबिन्दोः प्रतीच्छत्वं वक्त्रेणानेन वेगिना भक्षयन्ति चररणे तदुत्पन्नान् महासुरान् एवमेष क्षयं दैत्यः क्षीणरक्तो गमिष्यति भक्ष्यमानास्त्वया चोग्रा न चोत्पत्स्यन्ति चापरे इत्युक्त्वा तां तथो देवी शूलेनाभिजगानतम् मुखेन कालिजगृहे रक्तबीजस्य शोणितम् ततो सा वा जगानाथ गदया तत्र चण्डिकाम् न चास्या वेदनां चक्रे गदापातोल्पिकामपि तस्या हतस्य देहात्तु बहुशुस्रावशोणितम् यतस्ततस्तद्वक्त्रेण चामुण्डा सम्प्रतीच्छति मुखे समुद्गता येस्य रक्तपातान् महासुराः. So it's very easy to, because he has become weak without any blood, it's very easy to destroy him or kill him. So he has become very weak without any blood. He falls down and was killed by Chandika. And of course, all these celestials, Madhurganas, they were all dancing after he fell down. They are very good at it, no? After every Asura fell down, you see the celestials dancing. Huh? Devi Stuti, yeah, very good. Tamschakhatata chamunda papau tasya cha shonitam Tamschakhatata chamunda papau tasya cha shonitam Devi shulena vajrena Bhanai rasibirushtubihi. Devi, she has used how many weapons? Shulam, Vajram, Bhane, arrows, Asi, sword. Everything he is fighting, and so much of blood comes out at the same time. So, Jaganarakta bijam tam Chamunda pita shonitam Jaganarakta bijam tvam Chamunda pita shonitam First two lines, did we read it together? No. Tamschakhatata chamunda papau tasya cha shonidam Devi shulena vajrena bhanai rasibirushtubihi.
Devi shulena vajrena bhanai rasibirushtubihi Tamschakhatata chamunda papau tasya cha shonitam Devi shulena vajrena bhanai rasibirushtubihi
Jaganarakta bijam tam chamunda pita shonitam
Jaganarakta bijam tam chamunda pita shonitam Jaganarakta bijam tam chamunda pita shonitam
Sapapatamahi prushte Shastra sangha samahatah Sapapatamahi prushte Shastra sangha samahatah Oh, because he was hit by so many things, Mahi Prishti. Mahi means earth. He fell down on earth. Okay. Jaganarakta bijam tvam chamunda pita shonidam sapapada mahi prishte shastra sangha samahatah.
Jaganarakta bijam
Niraktascha Mahipala.
Niraktascha Mahipala. Nirakshascha Mahipala.
Niraktascha, Raktascha. Niraktascha means without blood, bloodless. Niraktascha Mahipala.
Niraktascha Mahipala. Niraktascha Mahipala.
Rakta Bijo Mahasuraha.
Rakta Bijo Mahasuraha. Rakta Bijo Mahasuraha.
Niraktascha Mahipala. Rakta Bijo Mahasuraha.
Niraktascha Mahipala. Rakta Bijo Mahasuraha. Niraktascha Mahipala. Rakta Bijo Mahasuraha.
Tataste Harshamadulam.
Tataste Harshamadulam. Tataste Harshamadulam.
Avapustridashanrupa.
Avapustridashanrupa. Avapustridashanrupa.
Tridasha here means celestials, because they are 30 celestials. So they are very happy. Amarsha Purita. So Tataste Harshamadulam.
Tataste Harshamadulam. Tataste Harshamadulam.
Avapustridashanrupa.
Avapustridashanrupa. Avapustridashanrupa.
Now you have to say not Avapus when you are saying together Mavapus. Okay? Mavapus Tridasha. Tataste Harshamadulam Avapus Ava. Tataste Harshamadulam Avapustridashanrupa.
Tataste Harshamadulam Avapustridashanrupa. Tataste Harshamadulam Avapustridashanrupa.
Niraktascha Mahipala. Rakta Bijo Mahasuraha. Tadasya Harshamadulam Avapustridashanrupa.
Niraktascha Mahipala. Rakta Bijo Mahasuraha. Tataste Harshamadulam Avapustridashanrupa. Niraktascha Mahipala. Rakta Bijo Mahasuraha. Tataste Harshamadulam Avapustridashanrupa.
Tesham Matrugano Jato.
Tesham Matrugano Jato. Tesham Matrugano Jato.
Nanarta Shrungamadoddatah.
Nanarta Shrungamadoddatah. Nanarta Shrungamadoddatah.
So Madoddatah is intoxicated by the blood they drank. All the Matruganas. They also drank blood. They didn't leave it only to Kali or the Tesha Matrugano Jato Nanarta Shrungamadoddatah.
Tesham Matrugano Jato Nanarta Shrungamadoddatah. Tesham Matrugano Jato Nanarta Shrungamadoddatah.
Madam, no? Madam means intoxication. Madhoddatah. Okay. Iti Shri Markandeya Purane Savarnike Manvantare Devi Mahatmye Rakta Bija Vadho Namastamodhyayah.
Iti Shri Markandeya Purane Savarnike Manvantare Devi Mahatmye Rakta Bija Vadho Namastamodhyayah.
Ashtamodhyayah, not Sashtam. Namastamodhyayah. Ashtamodhyayah. In this 4 lines we will say, and then we will recite the entire thing once. Tamscha Ghata Chamunda Papau Tasya Chashonidam Devi Shulena Vajrena Bhanai Rasabirushtubihi Jagana Rakta Bijam Tam Chamunda Pita Shonidam Sapapatamahi Prushte Shastra Sanga Samahadah Niraktascha Mahipala Rakta Bijo Mahasuraha Tataste Harshamadulam Avapustridashanrupa. Tesham Matrugano Jato Nanarta Shrungamadoddatah. Om iti Shri Markandeya Purane Savarnike Manvantare देवी महात्म्ये रक्तबीजवधो नामाष्टमोऽध्यायः। From 42. We'll recite once. Follow with me. Okay. युधे सगदा वाणिरिन्द्रशक्त्या महासुरः ततश्चैन्द्री स्ववज्रेण रक्तबीजमदाडयत् कुलिशेनाहतस्याशु बहुः शुस्रावशोणिदम् समुत्तस्तुस्तथो योधास्तद्रुभास्तत्पराक्रमाः यावन्तः पतितास्तस्य शरीराद्रक्तबिन्दवः तावन्तः पुरुषा जातास्तद्वीर्यबलविक्रमाः ते चापि युयुधेस्तत्र पुरुषा रक्तसम्भवाः समं मातृभिरत्युग्र शस्त्रपातादिभीषणम् पुनश्च वज्रपातेन क्षतमस्य शिरो यदा ववाहरक्तं पुरुषास्तथो जाताः सहस्रशः वैष्णवी समरे चैनं चक्रेणाभिजगानः गदया ताडयामास ऐन्द्रीतमसुरेश्वरम् वैष्णवी चक्रभिन्नस्य रुधिरस्रावसम्भवैः सहस्रशो जगद्व्याप्तं तत्प्रमाणैर्महासुरैः शक्त्या जगान कौमारी वाराही च तदासिना माहेश्वरी त्रिशूलेन रक्तबीजं महासुरम् स चाभिगदया दैत्यः सर्वा एवाहनत्पृथक् मातृकोपसमाविष्टो रक्तबीजो महासुरः तस्या हतस्य बहुधा शक्तिशूलादिभिर्भुवि पपातयो वै रक्तौगस्तेनासञ्चतशोऽसुराः तैश्चासुरासृत्सम्भूतैरसुरैः सकलं जगद् व्याप्तमासीत् ततो देवा भयमाजग्मुरुत्तमम् तान् विषण्णान् सुरान् दृष्ट्वा चण्डिका प्राह सत्वरा उवाच कालीं चामुण्डे विस्तीर्णं वदनं कुरु मच्चस्त्रपातसम्भूतान् रक्तबिन्दून् महासुरान् रक्तबिन्दोः प्रतीचत्वं वक्त्रेणानेन वेगिना भक्षयन्ती चररणे तदुत्पन्नान् महासुरान् एवमेष क्षयं दैत्य क्षीणरक्तो गमिष्यति भक्ष्यमानास्त्वया चोग्रा न चोत्पत्स्यन्ति चापरे इत्युक्त्वा तां ततो देवी शूलेनाभिजगानतम् मुखेन काली जगृहे रक्तबीजस्य शोणिदम् ततो सा वा जगानात गदया तत्र चण्डिकाम् न चास्या वेदनां चक्रे गदापातोऽल्पिकामपि तस्या हतस्य देहात्तु बहु शुस्रावशोणिदम् यतस्ततस्तद्वक्त्रेण चामुण्डा सम्प्रतीचति मुखे समुद्गता येस्या रक्तपातान् महासुराः तांश्चकातात चामुण्डा पपौ तस्य च शोणिदम् देवी शूलेन वज्रेण बाणैरसविरुष्टुभिः जगान रक्तबीजं तं चामुण्डापीतशोणिदम् सपपातमहीवृष्टे शस्त्रसङ्गसमाहतः निरक्तश्च महीपाल रक्तबीजो महासुरः ततस्तेहश्रमतुलमवापुस्त्रिदशा नृप तेषां मातृगणो जातो ननर्ता शृङ्गमदोद्धतः। ओम इति श्री मार्कण्डेय पुराणे सावर्णिके मन्वन्तरे देवी माहात्म्ये रक्तबीजवधो नामाष्टमोऽध्यायः।